Think about this. One day suddenly you get 50,000 rupees, 1 lakh rupees, or even more. Maybe from your bonus, your business profit, or your savings. Now a question comes in your mind. Should I invest this money little by little? Or should I invest all of it together? Today I will explain lump sum investment in such a simple way that anyone can understand it. And I will also tell you when you should use lump sum and when you should avoid it. Suppose you buy 10 chocolates. You have two choices. First choice, you eat all 10 chocolates in one day. Second choice, you eat one chocolate every day for 10 days. Both ways, you eat 10 chocolates, but the style is different. One is fast, one is slow. Investment also works in the same way. When you invest a big amount of money in one single time, that is called lump sum investment. It means you don't divide the money. You don't invest monthly. You invest the full amount in one shot, one time, one decision, finished. Suppose you have 1 lakh rupees. If you invest the full 1 lakh rupees today in one go, that is lump sum investment. Not 10,000 per month, not 5,000 per month. Everything together one time. People usually use lump sum when they get a bonus, money from selling land or gold, business profit, or many years of savings. They think this money is just lying in my bank account. Let me invest it and put it to work. So they can invest it in one single time. Now listen carefully. In lump sum investment, if the market goes up, you feel very happy. If the market goes down, you feel very scared. Why? Because all your money is already invested. There is no second chance. There is no slow entry. Your full amount is inside from day one. Think like this. Lump sum is like jumping into a river in one big jump. Slow monthly investing is like walking into the river step by step. Both reach the water, but the feeling is very different. One is sudden, one is calm. You can think about lump sum investment if you already have a big amount of money. You don't need this money for many years. You can stay calm even if market goes down. You are not checking your investment every day. You understand that ups and downs are normal. In simple words, if you have patience and strong heart, lump sum is okay. You should avoid lump sum if this is your first investment. You get scared easily when market falls. You keep checking price or value every day. You may need this money in near future. You cannot sleep peacefully when market is down. In simple words, if you want mental peace, lump sum may give you tension. Remember, lump sum investment is not good or bad. It is just a style. Right or wrong depends on your mindset, your patience, and your time. So let's revise. Lump sum investment means investing a big amount in one single time, in one shot, and good for calm and patient people. Not good for nervous and beginner investor. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share with your friend. This video is only for educational purposes. Investments are subject to market risk. Please consult a financial advisor before investing. The creator is not responsible for any financial loss.